Okay.
Bismillah, Bismillah.
Okay. Good luck, Daffa. So, but before presenting into the next presentation, welcome back to the second session of this BVI's Day presentation. So from this onwards, we will present the interns who got the schedule of presentation from afternoon onwards. And for the first three presentations in this second session will be delivered from mostly engineering team. So and Dava will be the first one from the engineering team that will present the projects and also innovations that has built during the internship program. So Dava, I believe you will be presenting the presentation on your own. Is that correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dava, I will shut my screen off and your time to present starts now. Good luck.
Uh, can you guys see my screen?
Yep, we can see your screen clearly.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Kak Furkan, for giving me the time to present my presentation about my intern experience today. So yeah, let's get started. So okay, first let me introduce myself first. So my name is Daffa Briana. Uh, you can call me Daffa, and you can see some detail from me at my ID there, and some unimportant fun fact about me also. Uh, Now I'm a final year computer science student in UPN Veteran Jakarta, in the same city like Ferdi, like Ali. And I'm here as the backend developer intern for the past 3 months. So yeah, as the backend developer, I have several responsibility, and this is basically what I do in daily basis in Bukit Vista as backend developer. So what I do, uh, I'm doing a backend development. I was tasked with the design and maintenance of server-side component. I'm collaborating closely with front-end developer and ensure that the integration between different functionality was seamless and efficient. And I'm also doing database design and management. So yeah, a robust database is the backbone of any tech-driven company. Uh, so I'm ensuring the data integrity and security was paramount. And yeah, we achieved this through Metacos database management. And I'm also doing API development and integration. So I'm basically developing RESTful API and integrating them with external system form a significant part of my role. This integration was essential for the system scalability and functionality. And I'm not doing much of this, but I'm a little bit do a system architecture and infrastructure. Part of my role was contribute to the overall system architecture. So I focus on scalability and reliability. And in daily basis, I'm also doing much testing and debugging for every project that I involve. And I'm also do a lot of collaboration and communication between engineer or any other division also. And yeah, so that was my main responsibility and daily basis. But it also depends with what project that I'm doing and what scope that I'm involved also. So next, okay. So yeah, this is I think just my little recap as I remember. Is Kofidi here? Correct me if I'm wrong, Kofidi. In my in my past 3 months as a backend developer. So yeah, basically I have released like 42 issue. I have involved in 10 milestones, and I have also gained like 89 points. But yeah, so this is basically not I think not a best performance, but I have received many feedback from my supervisor, Kofidi, Karobin. They really helped me to boost my productivity in daily basis. So yeah, that's my little recap. So I think we can move on to the project. Okay, so this is basically not my first project, honestly, but I think this is will be my remarkable project in Bukit Vista because I just amazed and with this AI technology, this is my first time. So something like this. So this is Gaia Hosting and Reservation Agent. This is an AI-powered chatbot that has transformed the way our operational team handle the guest query. It's streamlining the process from property details to booking procedure and ultimately boosting efficiency and guest satisfaction. Uh, this is my first hands-on using OpenAI model. I think Bukit Vista is really tech innovation to another level because I'm doing things that I never think that I will do in this intern. I never thought that prompting will be my daily basis, but I think this is the new revolution of engineering job also. Uh, so I involved this project with Ali after he is take his leave. So yeah, it's really challenging because we just transfer this knowledge in just 2 weeks, I think. And yeah, suddenly this become my daily activity to testing and debugging and maintain answer accuracy of this agent. In this project, it's really challenging because we're really learning by doing in this project. So yeah, but I think me and Ali also have do our best to keep improve this agent. We also have really some milestone for this too. And yeah, that was my first project. We move on to the next project. It's listing content and property notes integration. Uh, this is still connected with Gaia agent. So basically, I work on integrating Gaia with Airbnb, listing and property notes. This knowledge integration is allow Gaia to process more comprehensive answer, so thereby improving its functionality. Gitu. Um, so yeah, I think this is also a new technology that I learned in Bukit Vista. It's called vector database. Specifically, we use ChromaDB for this. So this is ChromaDB is the database that we use for store of knowledge that Gaia need to answer. So yeah, this is also become my weekly basis. I think because I have to update the Chroma database frequently to main the correct information gitu. Nah, uh, for this project, the implementation basically I enhance the property nodes endpoint in bigger. So now, if you want to store the property nodes knowledge into ChromaDB, uh, there you can use private or public text, and if you use that public or private text, the property nodes will be stored in ChromaDB and can be accessed with Gaia. Gitu. In this project, Karobin and Karifki is really helped me in this project. Karobin helped me to develop the backend side, and Karifki helping me using the ChromaDB. Oh yeah, this is I think in this project I have more collaboration too with front end, especially Kaabam, to ensure that the feature is running good with no bug. So yeah, that's listing content and property node integration. And we move to automate payout data acquisition. This is project I have a lot collaboration with finance division like Kadavid, Kadela. So this is the automation of payout data acquisition that was significantly stride toward efficiency as it streamline financial process using bank account data. So basically, in this project, I think uh, in this project I collaboration with finance division, Kak David, Kak Kadela also, and in this project The implementation is basically I automate the Airbnb and Booking.com payout data acquisition using the bank account data that's stored in Bigger. So uh, in this project, I have a lot of pairing with them, with Dela and David, to make sure the bank account for the whole property is correct set in the Bigger. So in this project also, I learned a new technology also in Bukit Vista that I have known before. KVD helped me with this. It's called Integromat. So I'm doing so many experiments with Integromat in this project, and I'm also learned to create an automation script for this with KVD using Python to using Google Colab to backfill the payout data from several months before. So that was the automate payout data acquisition. Next is newsletter auto translation. So yeah, this is I'm implementing automated translation for newsletter in Indonesian, English, and French. So basically, the implementation of this project is to enhance the newsletter endpoint in my set in backend. To I'm creating a new service for auto translation. So now I'm collaboration with front end. I think it's Wendy and Kabam. I think we create this project. I'm preparing the endpoint for them, the feature for them, and they using it, and they creating an interface to it. So yeah, that's newsletter auto translation. And okay, this is my latest project. It called uh, Gaya URC Mentor. So this is feedback system was designed to improve the quality of chat between our BD, business development specialist, and client. So this is the first system that I built from scratch. Not honestly from scratch. But uh, I'm really pairing a lot with Kabayu in this project because Kabayu is initiate. I think he built a prototype in this project, and I enhance it. I'm developing it. So basically, the Gaya URC Mentor is a feedback system. So the system take trigger from WhatsApp. So the system can summarize, can identify the roles, the effectiveness, and can give improvement to our business development specialists, so they can improve their chat and I think engage the client more good. I think like that. So yeah, this is Gaya URC Mentor. This Gaya URC Mentor is implementing a lot of technology. Also, we using OpenAI, not just completion, not just text generation. We use text generation, but we use many more technology like image recognition, audio transcription, something like that. So in this project with GIURC Mentor, uh, the image and the document and also the audio will be transcribed and described first uh, before the system is summarize the conversation, something like that. This feature is uh, really help really have opportunity. I think in future this have many more uh, possibility to have more good feature in the future. So yeah, it's Gaya URC Mentor. So yeah, next I think I want to share what I learned from internship at Bukit Vista. Uh, beside uh, company the company culture and something like that. But this is, I think, what really I learned from this internship. Uh, the first is hard skill. So yeah, I really learned a lot of hard skill in Bukit Vista, I think, because when I'm applying to this intern, I just have uh, basic, maybe basic backend skill like um, maybe some Node.js basic and something like that. I really don't know about the design pattern. Uh, I really don't know what is yeah, something like that, design pattern, clean code, and something like that. And yeah, I learned a lot, especially from Karobin for this. I learned design pattern, Node.js. I learned TypeScript also because I'm developing some notification using TypeScript. I'm learning Express.js. I'm also learning using Python and Flask too. This is because in this I really have get help from Cofidi for this. I learned how to use Equalize. I learned how to use Integral Math. I learned what is bits 24 and many more. But I think not just hard skill. I think in Bukit Vista, we also learn a lot of soft skill that I think it's really important because in Bukit Vista we just not only execution. We just not only execution. We also need to learn how to communicate, how to become disciplined, how to do a time management, how to prioritizing a task, and how to do a professionalism. Because in Bukit Vista we also directly contact with our user because our user is the employee too. So yeah, so there will be a lot of communication we have to do with them. So Bukit Vista is really, I think, make me really learn a lot lah from it gitu. That's I think what I learned from Bukit Vista. And next, okay, this is my personal opinion, but I think before I'm telling my personal opinion, because this is my closing. I want to recognize someone in my journey as backend developer intern at Bukit Vista. Firstly, I want to recognize Kak Furqan and Kak Shalin. Uh, for thank you for accept me. Thank you for guiding me in the first step at my intern. You guys are really kind and helpful. That makes me really enjoy my internship program, especially in the first week. And also, I want to thank my supervisor, Karobin. He really teach me a lot of things in backend developer, especially in developing Node.js. He really hard teaching me. I really want to say thank because he can patiently teach me the right things when I still don't know anything yet in the first time I'm doing my intern. Uh, I also want to recognize to Coffee that always help me through any problem. Basically, when I'm dealing with some code problem, I can talk to Coffee. When I'm dealing with some workload problem, I can talk it to Coffee. When I'm dealing with some user problem, also I can talk it with Coffee. Basically, anything I can talk with him. So thank you, Coffee, and also I want to thank to all of my colleagues in engineering, to Kak Abam, Kak Rifki, Vito, Felix, Wendy, and also Ali, that always accompany me every day at work. But also, I think not just at work ya, but also out of work gitu. Kak Vidi, Kak Rifki, Abang, Wendy, I really enjoy, especially when we can still hang out of work gitu. At the first month, I remember often we play some games out of work that I think it's really help make me enjoy in this internship gitu. So yeah, I would just wanna recognize that person, and I think this is my closing, my personal opinion about the internship. I think my journey with Bukit Vista sounds like a cascade of success. The automation project not only streamline process but also pave the way for enhanced efficiency and accuracy. Like Gaia and your Mentor seems like it's really a game changer for me. It's it's really revolutioning client communication and contributing to the flourishing landscape of customer satisfaction and business growth. It's really remarkable how its project I think become a cornerstone in saving Bukit Vista operation. It's leaving a lasting impact that reverberates through the company's success story. So my internship at Bukit Vista was more than a learning experience. I think it was a journey into the heart of technological innovation in the hospitality industry, especially uh, because it has profoundly shaped my understanding of the critical role technology play in enhancing customer experience and operational efficiency. As I move forward in my career, the skill and the insight that I'm gained here, I think will be invaluable in my continued pursuit of technological excellence. I think that's all from me, Kafurkan.
Yay, thank you very much, Daffa, for an amazing and also quite funny presentation. Yeah, to be honest, yeah, quite inspiring. Yeah, so that makes the presentation actually more enjoyable. Thank you very much for also mentioning Gaya URC mentor. Even though I'm not part in business development, but somehow I also take part in organizing the URC, and we actually discuss quite sometimes about the improvement of the project. Thank you very much, Daffa, for contributing into that. And now that project is actually now delivered all or fully into the um, business development side from Erica that is actually taking care of as the user. So yeah, that's my first comment towards yours. And secondly, I believe um, your supervisors that you have mentioned and also be gratitude for is already here. The first one I would like to call Karobin. Karobin, are you here with us?
Okay.
Okay, Karobin, thank you very much for spending your time, Karobin. Karobin, do you have any comments that you would like to say to Daffa and probably later on for future audience, future viewers of this video?
Okay. Congratulations for Dava for completing your internship in Bukit Vista. Good luck for your next journey.
Okay, thank you very much, Karobin. Very straightforward and very concise. Okay, Karobin, probably do you have some like feedbacks to Daffa?
All good from my side.
Oh, good. Thank you very much, Karobin. Next, coming into the next supervisor, which is Kafidi. Kafidi,
Yeah, to Daffa, congratulations on completing your internship. Yeah, Daffa. Yeah. I think Daffa is a very good intern in the sense that he has a lot of ownership towards his work, and that's why we invited him as well for part-time opportunities. And he is actually our part-time right now, and he continued to be able to expand his scope. Uh, Initially, he started as a intern for backend development, but with time, he actually builds a lot with machine learning features such as Gaia hosting and also Gaia URC. And that's his strength as well, being able to trying to understand the needs of the client before executing. That's one of his strengths. And probably like feedback is just on the part of communication as usual. Usually it will come with experience, but also the for technical, he's actually enough equipped, although there are still room of improvement that we will work on during his time as a part-time here. So yeah, look, glad to be working with you as well, and looking forward to what our next endeavors will bring us to. That's it from me.
okay, thank you very much, Kafidi. And for Daffa, congratulations. Yes, to officially announce also to the audience out there. So Daffa has now been rehired as our backend developer part time. So congratulations, we are